Hey guys, I'm Anya and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am here with the vlog. I know you guys love vlog. Oh sorry, I hate specs. And don't mind my hairless right now. Very greasy hair, hair all over my face. I've not shaved my face, and I did not have a bath today. Anyways, welcome to the vlog. I'm doing a vlog after long, I feel. And you guys love vlogs, so I thought I would vlog some events that will be happening in my life in the coming few days. I'm really excited about that. One of the events actually happened today. I intended on start the vlog today in the morning because I got graduated today, but unfortunately I couldn't vlog because of several reasons. I couldn't start the vlog. So I thought I will start it tonight. I finished so for all of you who don't know, I am a student at Pearl Academy, but side by side I'm also doing I was doing my graduation in BCom Honors from School of Open Learning, Delhi University, and my third year exams got over today. BCom Honors exams got over today, and I'm hoping I pass तो हो ही जाऊंगी, इसलिए I'm considering that I've graduated today. And I have mixed feelings, like it is hitting me and how that I'm a graduate. मतलब अब मुझे क्या करना है लाइफ में मुझे नहीं पता, because पूरी लाइफ I have had a tag of a student. जो भी मुझसे पूछता था क्या कर रहे हो, अभी मैं पढ़ाई कर रही हूँ, अभी मैं स्टूडेंट हूँ, but now what next? So it's kind of mixed feelings and I'm not at all ready for adulthood yet, but there's nothing much I can do about it, so that's gonna happen. And yeah, of course मेरे Pearl का last year is still left. 4 years का course I'm doing fashion media communication. It's a 4-year course, so the 4th year is still left, so I still have 1 year to rescue myself from adulthood. But yeah, the reality is that I'm graduated. So one event happened today, and yeah, so the plan is that I don't know if I will be my plan is I will be recording a couple of days. So basically what the thing is, I am getting a new piercing done. I am also getting a new tattoo, actually 2 new tattoos, hopefully. So I thought it'll be exciting, and yeah, I think I've been speaking for 4 minutes. The intro is quite long, so let's see what we have for today's video. It's 24th of June, 10 p.m. and I started it today, and almost 10 p.m. actually. And yeah, let's see what we have. Right now I've just gotten done with my dinner, and that's all. I have nothing much planned for tomorrow. Actually, I do have to shoot some things for Instagram, and I'm thinking that when I'm at it I should also shoot this week's YouTube video, because this vlog will be going live next Sunday. So today's Thursday, so this Sunday also some video has to go up, which I have in mind. So I'm thinking I will shoot that video also either tomorrow or day after tomorrow. We'll see about that, but I will keep you guys updated here. And yeah, for now I just have tomorrow's day planned, nothing else. So let's see how it goes. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I have had a bath and I have also shaved my face today. I was in the middle of shooting and I just realized that I was vlogging. So yeah, it's the next day. It's around 5:30 p.m. and I had to shoot for Instagram. I had to click some pictures for Instagram, so I have done that, and now I think I'll shoot a reel probably. And I washed my hair today, and I also shaved my face today, and I feel nice and fresh. And yeah, I will not show you my shoot setup because I'm not really proud of it yet. Jugadu काम है, so I'm very embarrassed to show it to you. But yeah, this is what I'm doing. Actually, that's it. I woke up like really late. I slept only at 6 a.m. so I woke up at 1 p.m. उसके बाद I had lunch हो गया, breakfast तो नहीं. And उसके बाद I had a bath and now I'm shooting. Probably 1.5 hour और लगेगा for the reel, and then I'm done for the day. Hey guys, just got done with the shoot. It's I think 6:30. And I created this look for one of the reels, and I just got done. I'm not shooting the YouTube video today because just today I shaved my face, and usually on the days when I shave my face is already very swollen, and on camera it looks even more swollen. So I am not shooting the YouTube video today. Hopefully I will shoot it tomorrow. But I got the pictures and I got the reel done today, and I created this look. I was not really feeling it today. There are some days when you do want to, I don't know, do your makeup, but at the same time कुछ creativity नहीं आ रही है दिमाग में, कुछ नहीं पता क्या करना है. I had nothing planned for today, and I think that's the reason. But yeah, this is look that I created, and I'm now done with shoot. I will probably take this off, and I don't know, let's see what I do. But yeah, this is the current update. I am probably going to the piercing wala store tomorrow, that is Saturday, hopefully, if it does not rain, because अभी भी मौसम बारिश वाला ही हो रहा है, and I don't know what is happening in my life, but it's just so yeah, अभी भी बारिश वाला मौसम हो रहा है. अगर कल अगर बारिश होगी तो कोई पॉइंट नहीं है, बिकॉज इफ़ यू गाइज नो कमला नगर मार्केट इन दिल्ली, इट इज़ एन ओपन मार्केट, मतलब स्ट्रीट मार्केट है एक तरीके से वो. तो वहाँ पे मैं क्या करूँगी अगर बारिश हो रही होगी तो आई जस्ट होप इट डज़ नॉट रेन टुमारो एंड आई कैन गो. एंड रेन्स मेक मी वेरी वेरी लेज़ी. आज एक लुक क्रिएट करने के लिए मुझे इतना सफ़र करना पड़ा है. आई वाज स्ट्रगलिंग थ्रू डूइंग माई मेकअप. आई डिड नॉट वांट टू डू एनीथिंग, बट आई हैड टू. इट वाज इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो yeah, I will keep you guys updated on what is happening next. Am I getting it pierced? Are we going tomorrow or not? Everything will be here in the vlog. So stay tuned and let me know how you guys like this. I really like my base today. Of course, face shave किया है तो base तो अच्छा लगना ही था. But I'm not really impressed with the eyes. I don't like the eyes that much, but they're okay. I love the lipstick, and of course I love the base, but not the eyes. So yeah, I think I'm just blabbering. I think I'm just gonna go and eat something and then probably sleep. Not in a good mood today at all. I changed into my PJs only because कुछ और की पहनूँ मैं. And I'm done. I have my coffee. Now I'm just hey guys, so it's a lot of days later actually. Today is 1st of July. I started the vlog, I don't know when. It's 10:30 a.m. I just woke up, I got a bath, took a bath, I got ready, and I just went out for some work. Now I'm headed home. So today is the day when I'm actually getting the tattoos done. I know the process got a lot delayed. Actually, a lot of things happened in between. So as I told you guys, I got graduated, and my sister and my mom kind of planned a surprise for me at home. I will put in pictures here. है. The day when I had to go get my piercing thing done, उसी दिन मैं रेडी हुई एंड नीचे वो सरप्राइज सब कुछ प्लान था. सो आई कुडंट रियली गो. उस दिन पूरा दिन और रात उसी में चला गया. सो yeah, that day went, and उसके बाद से every day I had been out. Some day I had some work, I had to meet some friends, and then वो बहुत चीज़ें डिले हो गई since the past 4 or 5 days, I guess. So today finally I got an appointment with the tattoo artist, and I am getting the tattoos done today. I am sorry if I look very tired or if I sound very like the morning voice, because I haven't slept well and अभी मैं नींद में हूँ. मैंने सुबह से कुछ खाया पिया नहीं है, not even coffee. So मैं थोड़ी सी नींद में हूँ. मुझे पता नहीं है कि आपको एसी की आवाज़ आ रही होगी या नहीं, बट इनकेस आ रही है सॉरी, प्लीज़ बेयर इट. थोड़ा सा बहुत गर्मी है दिल्ली में, बहुत गर्मी है. इफ़ यू आर लिविंग इन दिल्ली यू नो कि बहुत गर्मी है. सो आई एम सॉरी, मैं बहुत बोल रही हूँ. बट द बेसिक थिंग इज़ दैट आई एम गोइंग टू गेट माई टैटू डन टुडे. अभी तो नहीं जा रही हूँ, अभी तो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग होम. आई वेंट आउट विद सम वर्क. सो yeah, that is the update. My tattoo appointment 4:30 की है, and I have to go to South Delhi, which is like 1.5 hour away from where I live. So I'm really excited to get the tattoos actually, because I've been wanting to get a tattoo since a long time now, and 2019 October I got my last tattoo, which is this one. This is my mom's birth date, and this one which is like a symbol denoting mountains and beaches, which basically denote that I love both. So yeah, and now I'm not going to tell you what I'm about to get. Stay tuned till the end to see what I will get. And now I think people are staring at me because they can see I'm just talking to the camera, and I'm a little shy because I'm not used to vlogging in public. So oh, also by the way, I got new glasses. This is how they look. They actually came in last night only. I got them last night only, and I think they look good. They're very similar to my previous ones, but like thoda sa shape different hai. But I like how they look. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comments below. And yeah, so basically last 4-5 days बहुत delay हो गया ये vlog, and I don't want to delay it any further. So yesterday night only I had a word with the tattoo artist, and I told her that listen, I have to do it tomorrow or maybe day after, like within 2-3 days. So she said okay, she's free today in the evening, and she called me. I've discussed my design with her, but we will be probably exploring more. I'm not very sure, because it's like both the tattoos that I'm gonna get are very simple. I'm actually thinking to get one more, so I might get 3 tattoos. I'm not very sure, we'll see once we get there. But yeah, that's the plan for now. I will just go home, have some breakfast, and I do have to shoot for Instagram. It's been so long since I shot. Last week bhi I'm not very sure ये vlog कब live जाएगा, but today is 1st July, so इससे पहले वाला जो Sunday था, I did not upload a video because of the graduation thing happening. मेरे घर पे बहुत कुछ हो गया. उसी दिन मुझे shoot भी करना था, सब कुछ करना था, but I couldn't do it. And उसके बाद बहुत ही party fever में आ गए थे, तो I was just going out every day. Going out in the sense not to roam about. I had some work, and then I also had to meet some people, so that is why. And yeah, इसलिए लास्ट वीक भी कोई वीडियो नहीं गई है. सो आई हैव टू शूट अ यूट्यूब वीडियो टुडे, सो दैट टुडे इज थर्सडे और फ्राइडे. आई एम नॉट वेरी श्योर. आई थिंक टुडे इज थर्सडे. या टुडे इज थर्सडे. सो I have to put up a video this Sunday, and I don't see a possibility of shooting on Friday or Saturday, so I have to shoot today, both for Instagram and for YouTube. Then I have to go to get a tattoo as well, so I have a lot of work today. So I think I should just get going and moving because मैं बहुत लेट हो रही हूँ. And don't mind this mask. मेरे को कुछ काम था और बहुत जल्दी जल्दी में मैं घर से बाहर निकली. And ये बहुत बड़ा है मेरे फेस के लिए, but whatever I got उस टाइम पे I just had to. So let's go home and we're gonna get a tattoo today. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to get a tattoo. अरे भाई, why do people just stand in the middle of the road and then anyways, it's been 7 minutes, so I think I should stop this. Also, I wanted to give an update regarding the piercings. I'm a little skeptical about getting the piercings done because I had a word with a few people like my mom and they're saying कि बारिशों में piercing नहीं करानी चाहिए because कान पक जाता है and already my ear is very very sensitive and बहुत easily मेरा कान पक जाता है already. So I don't want to take a chance but I really want to get a piercing done. I am not very sure कि कैसे होगा and चांसेस हैं. सो मैंने पहले भी बोला है व्लॉग में आई विल गो देयर एंड आस्क द पर्सन ओनली हु डज माई पियर्सिंग्स कि क्या करना है. सो आई थिंक आई विल जस्ट प्रॉब्ली गो देयर एंड आस्क हर ओनली व्हाट शी थिंक्स करते हैं या नहीं करना है. बिकॉज मतलब ठीक है मानसून तो है बट इतने दिनों से बारिश नहीं आई है दिल्ली में. बहुत गर्मी हो रही है दिल्ली में. सो लाइक अगर बारिश नहीं आ रही तो कैसे पकेगा. मतलब आई नो दिस डजंट मेक सेंस बट लाइक आई रियली वांट टू गेट अ पियर्सिंग डन. तो ऐसे कुछ पियर्सिंग नहीं है. आई एम जस्ट गेटिंग इट हियर अबव द ऊपर भी आई हैव अ पियर्सिंग तो उसके ऊपर ही मुझे एक पियर्सिंग करानी है. कोई ऐसी अतरंगी जगह पे नहीं करानी है मुझे अपनी पियर्सिंग. बट स्टिल आई हैव बीन वांटिंग दिस आल्सो सिंस अ व्हाइल सो आई थिंक आई शुड गेट इट. एंड आल्सो I think I'm just blabbering but I really want to get the third tattoo as well. But I don't know. Also I really miss talking to the camera because बहुत दिनों से मैंने शूट नहीं किया है तो मुझे कुछ हो रहा है. I love talking to the camera. I love talking in general and especially when I'm stressed and when I have like 1,000 things in my mind. I like to talk. So just bear with me if this conversation goes on for long. But that is how I like it. Anyways, I think I'll just see you guys when I go for my tattoo. Yeah, bye. Guys, it's finally time. I'm absolutely ready. It's I think 3 p.m. if I'm not sure. And I'm wearing this. I will show you it. This is what I'm wearing. Pants, black pants, black crop top, shirt. Actually, I've worn this shirt for this. I mean, this outfit for the second time in 1 week. I really liked how this outfit came out. So the crop top is from Zara, pants Zara. The shirt is from Forever New. The necklace is from Forever 21. My rings are these ones. This and this. The small ones are from H&M, and the other ones are the gifted rings. I love rings, so my parents, I mean my grandmother, my mom, they usually give me rings on my birthdays. So yeah, this is my outfit, and I'm almost ready to leave. I will leave in about 15-20 minutes and I'm so excited because the main thing is मुझे अगर किसी चीज़ की एक्साइटमेंट है मैं कुछ कर रही हूँ ना तो मुझे वो चीज़ कहीं तो स्पिल आउट करनी होती है. लाइक आई हैव टू गेट आउट ऑफ माई सिस्टम. आई हैव टू शेयर माई एक्साइटमेंट. बट हियर आई हैव नॉट टोल्ड अ सिंगल पर्सन. लाइक एवरीवन न्यू कि हाँ मुझे टैटू करवाना है एंड मेरे को आने वाले कुछ टाइम में टैटू करवाना है. बट लाइक नो वन नोज़ कि मैं आज टैटू कराने जा रही हूँ. My mom asked me कि ready क्यों हो रही, where are you going? And I just said I have some work and I'm going. I did not tell anyone where I am going and what is on my mind. And इसलिए मेरा दिमाग थोड़ा ज़्यादा फ्रीज़ हो रहा है कि मेरे को बस पेट में बात नहीं पच रही है, मेरे को किसी को तो बोलनी है, तो बस इसलिए मैं बहुत रेस्टलेस हो रही हूँ एंड इसलिए वो एक्साइटमेंट डबल ट्रिपल हो ही जा रही है. सो आई जस्ट होप कि टैटूज़ अच्छे लगें सबको, बिकॉज वरना मुझे शौक मिल जाएगा फिर मैं आई बनवा के और सब बोलेंगे ये क्या बनवाया है, तो मैं वो नहीं चाहती. क्योंकि मैंने किसी से डिज़ाइन डिस्कस भी नहीं करे हैं. And I'm just getting too anxious right now. I think I should just leave. I think I'm gonna have coffee and leave. Wish me luck. Guys, so I am out. I'm so sorry if you can hear the AC. I made myself some coffee. And because she said have something, though I'm not getting a tattoo for the first time, but she specifically mentioned have your meal, and I had a very late and a very heavy. I had chole puri for breakfast, and I had them around 12, so I don't feel like having anything, so I just made myself some coffee, and now I'm just on my way. इतनी गर्मी हो रही है, इतनी गर्मी हो रही है मैं बता नहीं सकती. So yeah, now that I've told everyone that it's a surprise, सब लोग इतने क्यूरियस हो रहे हैं कि क्या हो रहा है, and I just cannot contain the excitement. I just hope कि जो सब इतना hype up हो गए हैं ना कि क्या हो रहा है सबको tattoos पसंद भी आए, because then what's the point? Anyways, I am getting very very late now. Let's just get going. Bye. Guys, I just got done with my tattoos. Yes, here's a little sneak peek of the first tattoo, and this is the second one. They're all covered up right now, but I will attach in pictures here of both the tattoos. I'm super happy with how they turned out. I couldn't vlog there because first I was lost, I couldn't find the place, and second there was a lot of music there, so I know copyright आ ही जाता, तो I didn't vlog it at all. And thirdly, I get tattoos, but she was not like my regular tattoo artist जिससे मैं करवाती हूँ. She was a new artist, and I didn't want her to feel awkward, and also I'm not used to vlogging in public, so I myself was being a little awkward in vlogging in between, so I did not. But definitely I will attach a video and a photo. And yeah, I will attach a photo and a video. I'm very very happy with the tattoos. I'm so excited to show it to everyone. I will try and record everyone's reaction on camera, and yeah, I am very happy. Hey guys, I just got home and fatafat I changed my clothes. I sanitized everything because that was the utmost priority. My tattoos are still covered. Another half an hour, and then I am supposed to like take the cover off. And घर पे मैंने अभी किसी को दिखाया नहीं है because obviously मैं बाहर से आई थी. Instantly I had to like change and stuff. I will try recording my mom's reaction, and she is only not at home, तो फिर क्या surprise. But like yeah, once she comes home I will show it to her, and then probably, if possible, I'm not promising, if possible, if she allows me to shoot her, then yes. And I'm liking it. I'm very very happy with the tattoos. And yeah, if you're from Delhi, just go to Suhasini for your tattoo. Her studio is in Hoskas, and I will put her Instagram handle right here. This is the first time I got a tattoo. I have 5 tattoos earlier. They were like the 6th and the 7th one जो मैंने आज कराए. But इससे पहले मैंने जहाँ पे भी कराया है, but the way she did it was much more like gentle, and you know, of course a tattoo's life वो मैं अभी immediately तो नहीं बता सकती कि कैसा रहा. वो with time ही पता चलता है. About the ink, does it fade, जो भी, but like I know एक तरीका होता है टैटू बनाने का. By now I know that. So she's very gentle. She will comfort you throughout. She will make sure that you are comfortable and you are fine, and only then she will start, and she will intimate you that okay, I'm starting now and all of that. She's very gentle, very kind person, and very very cute at heart as well. So and I think अभी मैं future में उसी से बनवाने वाली हूँ सारे tattoos, because I really loved how comforting the environment was for me. It's the vibes of the place first, and everyone at the studio, I mean the two artists, Suhasini and the other one, were both so kind and so supportive. The vibes were so positive. I really liked going there. So if in case you're in Delhi and you're planning to get a tattoo, do check her out. Her work is amazing. And yeah, now I think I'm done with the tattoo, and a piercing जब भी होगी I will continue this vlog. वो कब होगी मैं कुछ नहीं बता सकती. And yeah. Hey guys, it's the next morning. I showed my tattoos to everyone last night. Everyone loved them. I did not. I told you कि I'm not sure if I'd be able to record their reactions, and I couldn't because बहुत sudden था. एकदम से मैं बैठी हुई थी, पीछे से मम्मा आ गई. I was not ready with the camera also. So I just showed them like that, and yeah, everyone loved them. Yesterday also, before going, I don't know if I mentioned it here, before going to get the tattoo done, I did manage to shoot a YouTube video, but I didn't shoot any Instagram content. Honestly speaking, my Instagram has been acting up weird these days. Something is up, and uski वजह से I've just not been able to stay motivated, because I was motivated to a point. 1 month ho gaya, my reach has been low. People are not able to see the videos and photos that I post, and it's just 1 month I was showing patience that okay, koi baat nahi, it'll fix ho jayega, it'll take some time, few weeks, few days. It's been a whole month, and I think more than that, and wo nahi ho raha, and ab to I've just given up. Like literally 10 days 15 days बाद जाके only 700 views on a reel. वो मेरी नॉर्मल, जो मेरी बिल्कुल नॉर्मल रीच, when I was not a creator, जो नॉर्मल रीच थी उससे भी बहुत कम है. So I don't know why this is happening, but it's just very demotivating. मेरे को बस ये लगता है कि मैं बनाऊँ, मैं डालूँ भी, लोग देख मतलब किसी की प्रोफाइल पे वो चीज़ दिख ही नहीं रही है, तो what's the point? So yeah, that's been up with me, but I don't know, this vlog was nothing about this. I just came here to let you guys know कि मैंने सबको दिखा दिया है, and I'm sorry I couldn't take their reactions. Hey guys, so I'm dropping in here after like a week after I have got my tattoo, and I completely couldn't record my parents, मतलब my घर वालों का reaction of the tattoos, because actually I was not prepared for it. Like मैं बैठी थी, एकदम से मम्मा पीछे आ गई, and then she saw the tattoos. She and I did not obviously have my phone ready to vlog the reaction. So yes, and the piercing, I went to the piercing guy, and there they just cancelled on me, and they just said that it's better you don't get it done, because she somehow checked my ear, and she's just like, you have like your ear is very sensitive, and it's better if you don't get it done like during the monsoon. So after monsoon is done, you can definitely get it done. So piercing is kind of delayed for now, and I just came on here to end the vlog. I know बहुत haywired vlog है, and मुझे नहीं पता कितना लंबा होने वाला है. I'm actually going for a road trip tomorrow to the hills. I know it's not the most safest things to do, but we have taken like a separate villa, and we're not planning to move out of the villa at all, because hill stations are jam packed, and no one from our our group, like our group of friends, is planning to kind of step out. We just need like a COVID का बहुत हो गया. We just need like to relax our minds and just a little break from everything. इसलिए we are going. We won't be stepping out. It would be a private villa totally to ourselves. So I think that's comparatively safer, and most of us are actually vaccinated as well, so I don't think that would be a problem. Hopefully we come back home safe. So I will be editing the vlog on my way. So that is the reason I just had to quickly come up here and end it, because tattoo is done and piercing is not happening, and this was like a very haywire vlog, as I said, and I'm sorry for it, but I really hope that you enjoyed it. It was very, very casual and very, very cool, a very laid back vlog, but I really hope that you enjoyed these couple of days and snippets of couple of days in my life. If you want to see more such vlogs, let me know in the comment section below, and I will be more than happy to make them. And don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.